Guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually partnering with CRZ Yoga on today's video to bring you guys the best Lululemon dupes I have ever seen. You guys, if you saw my video, I want to say almost like a year ago now, like a while back, I did a video that was showing affordable workout clothes on Amazon. A lot of them were Lululemon dupes, and the brand that I thought was the best in that video was CRZ Yoga. So fast forward to now. They sent me an email. They've gifted me some of the items that I'm going to show you guys today. Some of them I also bought with my own money, you guys. I literally have been wearing them for almost like a year now. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a try on haul for you guys so you can see how everything looks on. And I'm also going to compare them to Lululemon so you guys can see the exact item that they look so similar to, if not basically identical to. CRZ Yoga was also kind enough to give you guys a coupon code. So if you go on their website and you shop there and you use the code Davina Donkor, you will get 8% off your order. So thank you so much to CRZ Yoga for giving me these items. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm not getting paid to say anything. I could say whatever I want, you know what I'm saying? So I would have it any other way. Okay, before we get into this video, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below. We'll have the Lululemon items, the CRZ Yoga items. I will also link their Amazon items as well. So they do have their own website, but they also sell on Amazon. However, if you want to get the 8% off, you will have to shop on their website, and that's where the coupon code will work. But as a quick tip, I do feel like it is easier to just browse on Amazon to see what's in stock and what's not, versus on the website. Sometimes you have to click on each item and then you'll see what the sizing is. So what I recommend, just like a little quick tip for you guys, I think that you guys should just look on the Amazon stuff, see whatever you like, and then go ahead and place that order on crzyoga.com. That way you can get 8% off, and it just makes the shopping time easier. So let's get into the try-on part. Okay, so first up we have these pants right here, and these are their 7/8 naked feeling yoga pants. You guys, I am obsessed with these. I actually think these are better than the ones that I was raving about in my other video. I'm not kidding. So in comparison to Lulu, I would say this is like the Align pant and the Wonder Under. It's kind of like a blend between both because it really has that seamless feeling, and it literally has the exact same seams and lines and the way it's cut as the Aligns and the Wonder Unders. However, the material is a little bit different, and just to say, all of these will be dupes of Lululemons. They'll be really similar. They're not going to be exactly the same because Lulu legit has their fabric patented, so you're not going to get that exact same feel, but these genuinely feel really soft, really buttery smooth. These ones are $24, and I got them in a size small. In Lulu's I wear a size 4, so I feel like it's definitely true to size. I wear smalls in all of the CRZ Yoga pants, and they fit perfectly. I will say too, I am obsessed with this print, you guys. It's such a cool camo, and I love prints, but I love them neutral and muted, so this is perfect for me. The fact that it looks like something is there, you kind of have to look a bit closer to be like, oh, is that camo? You're like, yes it is, girl, yes it is, so it's not obnoxious, and I love it. And then I also got it in black as well, so you just can't go wrong with black pants, and they're exactly the same, fit exactly the same way, and I got them in a small as well. Okay, next up we have another pair of pants, and they are these high-waisted yoga pants right here, and they have pockets, you guys. So comparing them to Lulu, they would be like the Invigorate High Rise or the Lululemon Fast and Free pants, and that's also because you can see literally the cut of them is identical. In the back they have the seam that curves down like that, which is super flattering for the back side. They do have pockets on the side, and you guys, legit, if you just look on the website and compare them side by side, they're literally identical. I am obsessed with these, and the reason why, let me give you a quick story. So they also have biker shorts, which I'll show you guys in a second, and they are the exact same material and cut and fit as these pants, but in shorts. So I got the biker shorts, and one of my friends already had them before, and so I texted her, I'm like, oh my god, these feel so amazing, they feel softer than the pair of leggings that I already have. And she's like, what? They feel exactly the same as my pants that I have. And I was like, okay, well, wait, hold up, wait, because mine don't feel exactly the same. They're pretty soft, but they're not exactly that material. And so I looked them up and I found these, and I was like, okay, I have to try these, because if they are anything like the biker shorts, then I want the full pant. And you guys, they do not disappoint. These ones are $26, and I wear a size small, like I said, and they are amazing. Okay, we're gonna take a little drink break. As a side note, if you want a quick matcha recipe, literally do matcha powder, make sure it's ceremonial grade, or the one at Costco is completely fine. Almond milk, a little honey, boom, good to go. Next up, we have this sports bra. You guys, I have had the sports bra. Again, if you saw my other video, you saw that I got this one. I did get a lot of the ones I liked again, because I'm like, okay, these are tried and true. It's this long line sports bra right here. I would compare this to the Lululemon Energy Bra, the long line energy one. So It is legit, again, like I said, exactly the same. I honestly don't know where this came from, but I don't love to wear workout shirts anymore. I love a good set, or I love leggings and just a sports bra. I don't know, I just don't love wearing shirts anymore. And so I love the fact that this is long, so you can just like walk around, and I personally feel comfortable this way. And it just has that like slither of skin, you know what I'm saying? Just like a little pink of a little tummy, and it looks just so cute. So I love this. I love that you're a little bit more covered. You guys, it is super supportive as well. That is something I've noticed about this kind of bra specifically. I feel like it's so supportive, so much so I even take the padding out because I just feel like it's like, you know, all up in there. I got a medium. I definitely size up in the sports bras. I don't think I was ever a small, so I guess I don't know, but I always get the sports bras in a medium. I just feel like it fits my body better that way, and that way I don't have to worry about it like gaping my fat on the sides or just feeling really tight. So for Lululemon, I wear like a US 6 in tops, or even an 8. I always size up there, but then definitely stay true to size at the bottom. So love the crisscross detail of it. I got this purple color as well. Highly recommend this. I've had my other one for over a year, and it genuinely has lasted me the whole time, and it holds up great. Okay, I also picked up another sports bra as well. It is basically the same thing as the long line sports bra I showed you guys earlier, but this one is the shorter version. And so like you guys can see, it has like crisscross detail in the back. It is a little bit different. You can see the cross in the back is different, but it basically would be compared to the Lululemon Energy Bra. That's what I feel like is most similar to this one. I will say I feel like this one is less support than the other one, and let me tell you why. So if you guys can see, obviously it's a regular size sports bra, but where the band hits at the bottom is like right where your boobs would hit. And I don't know if you guys ever remember this, but way back in the day, the sports bras that were so famous were the Target Champion ones, and I had that like in literally all colors, and they were 15 bucks. So that's obviously a sports bra, but then it had just like a little band out here that was like the bra, right? But this one I feel like legit hits right where your boobs are. I personally love that look, and I also don't have big boobs, so like it completely works for me. But I do feel like I just want to call that out, that like there's not that much room besides like where your bra would hit, if that makes sense. So if you do have a larger chest or are wanting more support, I will say maybe go for a style that has more fabric at the bottom. This one's like 20 bucks, so again, really affordable. They do have padding that you can take out or put in as well, and I got a medium in this sports bra too. Okay, next up we have one of my favorite items that I got, you guys. This is like the star of the show, so I don't even know why I didn't lead off with this, but if you made it this far, kudos to you, because you are about to be blown away with these. These are the biker shorts I was talking about that feel so buttery soft and are basically the same material and style as these pants right here. I've tried a lot of biker shorts, even ones more expensive than these, and you guys, these ones are legit one of my favorites. So I would compare these to the Lululemon Fast and Freeze. You guys, like I said, it has the same style and cut. It has pockets. It has the line on the butt that curves down, so it's super flattering. And I just feel like these really just hold you in and give you like such a nice hourglass shape. I feel like they're so flattering on. I even had one of my friends come over the other day, and she tried these on, and she was like, yep, okay, yeah, that's nice, that's nice. And you guys, they are under $20. These are legit 18 bucks. They come in so many different prints and colors. This print isn't my favorite. Like, I don't think it's super my style, and so I think what I want to do is get this in the camo print when that comes in stock. I love that camo print, like you guys saw earlier, this print right here. I think it would be so cute to get that in these shorts and then wear it with the black sports bra, and then just have that be an outfit, and then even get like the sports bra in the camo and get black biker shorts, and then we could have like mix and match, and I can make like 4 different outfits with that combo. So these are 6 inches, and I feel like 6 inches are the perfect length for biker shorts. That way you can have them, you can still wear them cropped and they don't look too long with a sports bra, but if you were to wear them with graphic tees or anything like that, you would still see the biker short and they would still peek out a little. It's the perfect length for me, but just so you guys know, that's how long these are, and I love them. So much so, you guys, I told you, I literally buy CRZ Yoga all the time. Before they sent me that, I actually had gotten this pair, which is just like a light mauve color, and I am obsessed with them. I posted them on Instagram before, and I wear them all the time. Okay, so next we have a racerback tank. I already own this in olive green, and I loved it so much that I wanted to get it in black just to have a staple tank. What I love about it is that it's a cami, so it's like thin strap, like kind of like an inch strap, so it's not too thick. I love that look, and it's ribbed, you guys, so I love a good ribbed tank top. I just think that extra detail just makes things look more flattering and just cool and different. It does have a built-in sports bra with removable padding, so you can do that as well, and I love it. So I got this one in a, okay, this actually is a size large. I think I meant to get a medium, but I got a large. But you guys, the large fits me, and I actually prefer it because I have, you know, we gained a few lbs in quarantine, and I think that it gives me enough room to feel comfortable and wear this. It's actually kind of funny because my sister and I were talking when I was home, and we were talking about how like I ordered a pair of jeans and I just didn't want to keep them because they were like a couple sizes up than what I'm used to. I was just like fighting her, kind of being like, oh no, I think I'm just gonna take it back. Like, it's not my normal size. Like, I don't want to waste money over things that like aren't my normal size. She was like, Davina, though, that is your normal size. And I was like, no, 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 no. What I'm trying to say is that I'm usually like a 26 or something, and like these are like a 28. Like, it's not my normal size. Like, why would I spend money on something that like I'm gonna have to like buy over when I get to my like regular size again? And she was like, baby, what I'm telling you is that is your normal size. And we literally kind of bickered back and forth. We kind of just left it as is. What I don't even think she knows, like, hey girl, if you're listening, I literally went back and I actually thought about it, and it actually hit me in a really strong way where I was like, yeah, she's so right. Like, this is my normal size right now. And I don't know, I'll speak for myself in saying that like with quarantine and everything like that, like I obviously have gained a few pounds, but like so much so like a lot of my jeans don't fit. I've been wearing sweatpants for like the past 7 months because I'm just like, I don't want to buy anything and like waste money. And it's like, girl, we've been in quarantine for like 7 months. And you know, it's honestly, I feel like more damaging to not feel like yourself and to feel comfortable in your skin and to just like want to live life and dress up and do all of that stuff because you don't want to spend money on something that's a different size than your normal. But our bodies fluctuate, like that's normal. You know, it's a freaking pandemic. Give yourself some grace. That's your size, you know, and it's not a big deal. And so all that to say, you're like, I didn't come here for a sermon, but here you go. But all that to say is that's why I do also love CRZ Yoga though, like, yeah, full circle, because their stuff is freaking affordable, you guys. I don't feel bad that I had a tank in a size large because it was legit just like 20 bucks. And you know, I also have my small one and I can wear both, and if I need a medium we can buy one too, you know, and then we'll just have them all. Anyway, that's my spiel. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, and let me get a little sip of matcha as my reward. Okay, so the last two things they sent me were joggers. So here's the first pair right here, and I would compare these to the Lululemon On The Fly jogger. I do feel like they are a great material. They feel really nice. I'm not a huge fan of this camo. I love the other one that's more matte and black. This one is more blue, and I don't think this is really my style, so I might give this one away. But the actual pant is nice too. These are in a medium, but again, these are joggers, so they're meant to be more form-fitting and like slimmer. I'm an oversized girl, so I actually feel like I would go up in a large if I were to buy these again. But I did want to show you guys what they look like in the medium so you guys can see how that fit on my body, and then you guys can decide whether or not you want to keep that size or size up for a more oversized look. But that's just what I think I would do. And they also gave me these ones as well. Side note, the other ones were $30 and these ones are $29. And I actually think I like these ones better. These are really cool. I feel like I would wear these a lot if I was in California because they are waterproof. So I feel like if you're doing hikes or going on beach walks or anything like that, the material of this, it's more like, I don't know, I really don't know how to describe that one, but it definitely does feel like it is more waterproof and made to be taken on hikes or going through the water, or like whatever you're gonna do with your nature self, you know? Yeah, so these ones are really cool as well. Again, I still think I would size up in them, but I do love this slate gray color, and I also do love the waistband on these. I feel like it has a really nice waistband that would be flattering and kind of like tighten up the area and give you like a nice shape there too. So those are all the items that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. Again, if you use the code Davina Donkor, you'll get 8% off your entire order, and they also have free shipping. Did I mention that? I don't know what it is, but I'm that girl that like, I don't care how much I spend. If shipping is like $5 or more, I'm just like, I ain't doing it, and I'll delete my whole cart. So kudos to you, CRZ Yoga, for having free shipping. Love that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I will answer all of them. I love helping you guys out, and I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so feel free to do that. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.